What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will show you how to insert Amazon affiliate links to your Wix website. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, in order to have a Amazon affiliate links, you will need to be an approved Amazon associate user. So what you can do is to go to Amazon associate and sign up to an account. It's fast and easy. You can do it yourself. And after you did that, it will redirect you to this home page. And what the tools that you will need to use to have an affiliate links is SiteStripe. So in order to activate SiteStripe, go to this name right here and go to your account settings. And under account settings, go to associate SiteStripe options and make sure that the SiteStripe is enabled. And that's it. That's how you activate it. Then go to the Amazon.com, and as you can see, the site stripe is already activated. So now let's choose some products that we want to promote to our Wix website. So I'm going to choose a random product. Going to choose a chair. So let's choose this one, this white chair. So in order to copy this affiliate link product, just click this button right here, text button at the site stripe on the top left corner. Then copy this link. And after you copy it, just go to your Wix website, create a new site, or go to your current website. So for me, I'm going to go to my current website right here. So this is my website. So this is just a template. So I'm just going to edit this one. This is how you're going to present your link in more professional way. Just edit this text right here. Just make it Amazon products available. Just click here. That's it. And after that, you can just go highlight the here text right here and click this link button on the text settings and just set it to website. Then paste the Amazon link right here and click done. Right here, the here text will be highlighted and underlined. And that's it. Another example is I will just delete this image first, then go to add elements, go to embed code, go back to amazon.com and click this text plus image on the tabs, site straight tabs, and it will show you an HTML code. You can just copy this code, then go back to your Wix website. And after that, just go to embed code and click embed HTML. And after that, the tab right here will appear, and you can just paste the HTML code right there and click update. And as you can see, the picture of the chair will appear right here. I can just arrange it to the center. Or if I want to see what it looks like, just click the publish button right here in the top right corner, and it will show you what my website looks like. And I can just click the button right here. As you can see, the here text will redirect me right here on the Amazon product. And also the picture, if I click it, it will also redirect me to this chair product. And that's it. That's how you easily promote an Amazon product using Wix website. It's pretty awesome, you know. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.